or our own CAN board funds to install the CCTV cameras here.
The Meghalaya Education Department has confirmed that funds for government and aided schools are being released on time despite occasional technical issues. A dedicated system monitors the timely disbursement with monthly reviews to ensure smooth processes. The department has made significant efforts to ensure that all government school funds have been released without delay. Aided schools which receive quarterly grants were funded up to December, and further disbursements are being expedited. While occasional disruptions have been noted due to staff changes, the overall fund flow remains stable. The proactive approach aims to ensure financial stability for schools across the state.
So this scheme had many challenges. One was regular inflow of the funds, which we have made sure. For example, in the present financial year, by the December month itself, we were able to get all 4 installments pertaining to PM portion. So that's something which we are very happy about, and we want to continue this kind of a performance. And there wasn't any delay in release of the honorariums to the cook cum helpers as well.